Look at the graph of the line y equals x minus 2. It has a gradient of 2 over 2. This ratio coincides with the tangent of the angle A. Working in reverse, A is the angle whose tangent is 2 over 2. A is 45 degrees. The acute angle that y equals x minus 2 makes with the x-axis is 45. Look at the graph of the line y equals minus 2x plus 4. It has gradient minus 2, or minus 4 over 2. Working in reverse, A is the angle whose tangent is minus 4 over 2. A is negative 63.4 degrees, the acute angle that the line makes with the x-axis. Let's spice things up a little bit, shall we? Let's find the acute angle between these two lines. The orange line makes an angle of 18.4 and the blue line makes an angle of 33.7. Their absolute values, which is what we need to use really, add up to 52 degrees, which is the acute angle between the lines. The angle between the line y equals mx plus c and the x-axis is found by calculating the inverse tangent of the gradient m. Take note of this and practice, practice, practice. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!